What's up YouTube? Welcome to the Killer Arts YouTube channel. My name is Desmond. So today we are going to be building Naruto. Let's jump into it. Alright, so this is the Naruto template that we are going to use. I found this online. So what I do first is I make the crease lines. So what we're going to use for that is a blunt knife, something like this, and a nice steel scale or any kind of scale that you have. Let's go ahead. I'm going to time lapse through this part just so we can finish it up real soon. Alright, now that the creasing is done, we're gonna go start cutting the pieces out one by one. Alright, so now the pieces have been cut out, and what we need to do next is fold them into their shapes. But before that, there's a little something that I like to do. I like to take my blade and scratch these parts up. What you're doing here is you're making this surface a little more rough so that the glue that you apply will stick better. Alright, you could actually skip that step if you want, but for me, I find that the glued parts stick better. But then again, it depends on what kind of paper you print. Now the next step is folding. Let's get to it. So as you can see, we have folded Naruto into the shape we want him to be in, right? Let's do the body. That's the body. And let's quickly fold the hands. So the folding is pretty much done. Now we go on to sticking. So when it comes to glue, what I use is good old Fevicol craft glue. You could probably find this in pretty much any stationery shop or art shop. This is what's available for me and works pretty good. Fevicol, sponsor me, please. Come on. Alright, let's get to business. So I'm going to start applying the Fevicol on this part here, on this part here. So that will go stick here first, and that'll make things a lot more easy for us. So I've applied the Fevicol, and I use this piece of paper to spread it out like this. Bring it in place. Hold it in place and press it down so the glue goes into those cuts that we made into paper. That'll make it stick better. Now we're going to do the back side. Right, so now you can see that we've got pretty even spread of Fevicol, and that should stick pretty nice. Go ahead and stick it carefully. I'm going to push it down, keep it down, and press the inner parts just to make sure they stick properly. Alright, so the back is done. Let's go ahead and do the same for the front. Alright, so the head is done. Let's move to the body. Let's apply the gum. Alright, the back side is done. Now one thing I like to do is use a tweezer to press the insides, these flaps. I like to use this and press it like so. What this does is it makes sure the inner flaps where the gum is applied is also pressed down pretty firmly. And that's the back side. Now let's do the front. And fold. So we're done with the body. Next step is the hands. And now with the arms, what we're going to do first is stick them to each other. Let's get some glue on one side. We won't need too much. That's one arm. So we're done with the arms as well. Now let's just put these pieces together and Naruto is going to be ready. First, let's start with the hands. I'm going to apply some gum on the back side of the arms. So this is the front side of Naruto's body, and we're going to nicely take a look from the top and apply it simultaneously. I'll do it this way so you can see better. There we go. That's a pretty even fit. Alright, so the body is ready. Now let's go ahead and attach the head to the body. So applying the head is kind of a tricky procedure. What I do is I line up the body to these lines on the cutting board, and I sort of eyeball it. The head should be centered on the body. Fine, so I'm gonna take a turn. Right, I think that should do it. Alright, so what I like to do last is put some weight on top of Naruto's head. What I'm going to use is a Canon battery, LP-E6. So what I'm going to do is take that and rest it on his head pretty carefully. We don't want it to bend to one side or the other. So yeah, I'm gonna leave Naruto alone for a while for him to get his head on straight, if you know what I mean. Okay, yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so that's Naruto. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know. Drop a comment down in the comment section if you have some advice, or if you have any ideas or what kind of stuff I could do on the channel. What do you want to see? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you find this kind of stuff interesting, hit that bell icon. I'm gonna try and post more content on this channel, and I want you to see how it is. I want you to help me improve the channel and grow along with me. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. Bye.